Hi everyone, this is your math guru. Today we're going to learn how to simplify surds by going through the rules of surds. Please don't forget to click on the like and subscribe button below for more easy to understand math concepts. What are surds? They are roots of numbers that cannot be further simplified into whole numbers or integers. They are also referred to as irrational numbers. For example, if I have the square root of 4, this will give me plus or minus 2. Or if I have the square root of 36, this will give me plus or minus 6. These are whole numbers or integers or perfect squares. Therefore, square root of 4, square root of 36 are not surds. However, if I have the square root of 5, you can punch that on your calculator. That will give you 2.23606. Or if I have the square root of 40, if you punch that in on your calculator, that will give you 6.3245, etc. These are not integers, and therefore these are surds. Let's look at the following examples by going through the rules of surds. The first rule I'll be showing you is if I have the root of a number, let's say a variable a, multiplied by the root of another number, a variable b, because they have exactly the same root, I can group them under the same root to be a times b with the same root n. Let me give you an example. If I have the cube root of 9, 3 times the cube root of 3. Normally when they ask you these questions in your exam, they will tell you not to use your calculator. You can try it out. If you find the cube root of 9 or the cube root of 3, it will give you irrational numbers. However, you can apply the rule of surds. Because they have the same root of 3, I can put them under the same root. I have 3, and my numbers are 9 times 3. This will give me cube root of 9 times 3, 27. This I can easily find to be 3. Because the check is, I know 3 times 3 times 3 will give me 27. Let's look at another rule. If I have the root of a variable n divided by the root of another variable b, because they are the same root, I can put them under the same root of n, a divided by b. For example, if I have square root of 125 divided by square root of 5. Applying the surd rule, if I find the square root of 125 separately or the square root of 5 separately, that will give me an irrational number. But I can apply the rules of surds because they have the same square roots. I can put them under 125 over 5. This will give me square root of 125 divided by 5 is 25. And the square root of 25 will give me plus or minus 5. For the two rules explained above, I can either go forward or backward. Let me show you an example. If I have to find the square root of 50 using the surd rules, I can split this up into a perfect square. That's 25 times 2. I can further split this up to 25 times square root of 2. Square root of 25 is 5 times square root of 2, and this will give me 5 root 2. Let's look at the following challenge questions. In the first question, you have cube root of 32 times cube root of 2, and in the second question, you have square root of 72 divided by square root of 2. Solve this question without the use of your calculator. You can pause the video to do that. If you check this, applying the rules of surds, because they both have cube roots, I'm going to put them under the same cube root, and that will be 32 times 2. This is the same as cube root of 64, and that will give me 4. In the second example, because they're both square roots, I'm going to say 72 divided by 2. This is square root of 36, which is equal to 6. Thanks for watching. Bye.